Hello, it's Sybil coming to you from sunny Hawaii. Whoop, a bug just flew in my face, sorry. So I am here to talk to you guys about self-help and self-care. Last week we talked about taking 30 minutes of time for yourself, 30 minutes in 1 week for you. I hope you guys did it. I know I did, and I enjoyed it. But this week, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about encouraging other people in your family to take a little bit of time for themselves. So I'm going to share a little story with you. My children are on spring break this week, and I was super pumped because I had a lot of ideas to take them out to different beaches and take them to different local places to sightsee. So I shared the news with them, and all three told me no. They told me they wanted to just sit back on the couch, prop their feet up, and be lazy. Well, I was bummed. Like, what? Who wants to do that, right? Like, you're on spring break. You want to get out and about and see the sights. But no, they told me they wanted to take a little bit of time to rest. They wanted to rejuvenate their bodies. They wanted to rejuvenate their minds. We arrived in Hawaii the end of December, and we hit the ground running, and we've been running since, getting housing, getting school set up, getting activities going. And so when my kids told me they wanted to just take a little bit of time for themselves, you know what? I had to listen. I had to listen to their needs of taking time, of self-care, to relax themselves. Now, don't think that self-care is only about sitting on your butt doing nothing, because it's not. You can have a hobby that you love, and it's for you. You can have, different activities, whatever it is, as long as it is something that you want to do. But so often we rip and run that we forget that sitting down doing nothing is self-care. So I would love for you guys to sit down with your family, sit down with your children, and talk to them about self-care, to encourage them to take a little bit of time for themselves, that they don't always have to rip and run. And it's okay to say, Mommy or Daddy, I just need to sit down and do absolutely nothing. So I look forward to hearing if you guys, did that, or if you guys as a family take time for a self-care day. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you do. See you next week. Bye-bye.